Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to hotwire a car in Project Zomboid. First, you need to meet the requirements. Your character must have level 1 electrical skill and level 2 mechanic skill, or you must have picked the burglar occupation at character creation, which lets you hotwire without those skill levels. These are the only ways the hotwire option will show up in the game. Next, find a vehicle and enter it. Once inside the driver's seat, press V to open the vehicle radial menu. This brings up interaction options for the car. If you have the right skills or occupation, you'll see the hotwire engine option. Click that. Your character will then begin the hotwiring process. It can take several seconds, and sometimes you might have to try again a couple of times. Once hotwired successfully, you'll see wires sticking out of the ignition area, and you can press W to start the engine just like with the key. Be aware that hotwiring a car makes noise and can attract zombies, so always pick a safe spot before trying this. If you don't see the hotwire option, double check that your electrical and mechanical skills are high enough or that you selected burglar, and that you're in the driver's seat with the radial menu open. And that's how you hotwire a car in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.